Welcome to our tutorial on creating dope t-shirt designs using Canva. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to let your creativity run wild and design eye-catching t-shirts that will make you stand out from the crowd. First, open Canva and select the t-shirt design template. Canva offers a wide range of pre-made templates, or you can start from scratch. Next, choose a background for your design. You can go for a solid color or use one of Canva's amazing patterns and textures. The choice is yours to make it truly unique. Now, it's time to add some awesome graphics. Canva has an extensive library of icons, illustrations, and images that you can use to add a personal touch to your design. Get creative and experiment with different elements until you find the perfect combination. Don't forget about typography. Canva offers a variety of stylish fonts that will bring your design to life. Play around with different font styles, sizes, and colors to create a compelling message or a catchy slogan that complements your design. If you want to add some extra flair, try using Canva's effects and filters. You can give your design a vintage look, add a splash of color, or apply different overlays. The possibilities are endless. Lastly, make sure to save and export your design in high resolution so that it looks great when printed on a t-shirt. Now you're ready to bring your creation to life and wear it with pride.
In the city where the beats never sleep, boom bap rhythms, emotions run deep. Old school vibes make your spirit sleep. Let the groove guide you, and happiness will sleep. I wake up to the rhythm of the city street, concrete jungle where the dreams compete. Boom bap in my soul, a classic heartbeat. Old school vibes from my head to my feet. Life's a journey, a rhythmical ride. In this boom bap world, let the good vibes collide. Smiles on faces, no need to hide. Old school flavor, let it be your guide. In the city where the beats never sleep, boom bap rhythms, emotions run deep. Old school vibes make your spirit sleep. Let the groove guide you, and happiness will sleep. In the city where the beats never sleep, boom bap rhythms, emotions run deep. Old school vibes make your spirit sleep. Let the groove guide you, and happiness will sleep. Got my kicks, got my snares in this old school groove. Forget your cares, rap along, let loose the airs. Boom bap therapy, forget the despairs. Turn the volume up, feel the bass line. In this old school rhythm, everything is fine. Dance through the struggles, let the stars align.
Thanks for watching this tutorial on creating dope t-shirt designs with Canva. We hope you found it helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more design tips and tricks. Happy creating!